In this problem, we're being asked to multiply two numbers that are written in scientific notation. So we've got 2 times 10 to the 7th times 4.3 times 10 to the 8th. Now, luckily, you can think of this as four different things. They're all multiplied by each other, so it sort of doesn't matter what order we multiply them in. So what I'd suggest is take these two and multiply them. Make that one part of the problem. And then take these two and multiply them, and then put everything back together in scientific notation. So this really breaks down into two problems. The first problem is 2 times 4.3, and that is 8.6. And there, that's great. We're lucky. We've got still just one digit to the left of the decimal point. If we had ended up with something greater than 10 here, there'd be an extra special step we'd have to do, and I'll show you what to do with that and when we're done with this. In this case, we got lucky. We've just got 8.6. It's all good for scientific notation. The second part of this problem is 10 to the 7th times 10 to the 8th. Now here you need to remember the product rule, which says that if you've got the same bases, then you just, if you're multiplying, you add the exponents. So this problem comes down to 7 plus 8, and we get 10 to the 15th power. So the answer for this problem is 8.6 times 10 to the 15th. Now, what if we had a problem, let's say we were multiplying this by 3 instead of 2. Well, we'd get 12.9, right? So we'd have 12.9 times 10 to the 15th. But that's not really scientific notation. With scientific notation, we just want one digit to the left of the decimal point here. So what we'd really have to do is move this decimal point one. And whenever you move the decimal point to the left, you raise the power here. So this would be 1.29 times 10 to the 16th, because we moved that decimal place over just one space. So we add 1 to the power. So that is how to multiply two numbers written in scientific notation.